Hey there, everyone! Ever had a clogged dishwasher and thought about calling in the pros? You know, there's a nifty little fix using things you probably already have in your kitchen, and it's pocket-friendly. Let's start with our trusty baking soda. We bet it's hiding somewhere in your pantry. All right, measure out 1 cup of baking soda. And now, pour it right into the dishwasher drain. Simple, huh? Next, we have vinegar. It's not just great on fries, but it's our secret weapon today. Let's get that vinegar ready. Measure out a cup, and in it goes. A little fizz means it's working its magic. Now, give it about 15 minutes. Grab a coffee or take a little break. Afterward, run a hot water cycle on your dishwasher without any dishes. Check out the transformation. See? Clog-free and ready for action. Who knew it could be so simple and natural? Always remember, there's no need for pricey chemicals. It's all about going natural and being kind to our homes. Until next time, stay awesome.